Welcome to Accounting Brew, where boring numbers become your daily cup of clarity. Today's topic: what is the accounting equation? Let's get started. Here's the textbook definition. Who writes this stuff? Straight to the equation. It shows that a company's assets are financed by liabilities and owner's equity. Imagine you own a coffee shop. You have coffee machines, tables, chairs, and inventory like coffee beans. All of these are your assets. But the money to buy these things doesn't come out of nowhere. Some of it is money you borrowed, and some is money you invested yourself. The accounting equation basically means that what the coffee shop owns is equal to the money borrowed, plus the money you invested yourself. Many people think the accounting equation is just a math formula, assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity, like it's only about adding and subtracting numbers. But actually, the accounting equation is the foundation of bookkeeping. It helps us clearly track where the money comes from and where it goes. For example, if the coffee shop buys a coffee machine with borrowed money, both assets and liabilities increase on the books, keeping everything balanced. So, the accounting equation isn't just simple math. It's a helpful tool for managing money. The accounting equation is like a diary that helps you clearly track where your money comes from and where it goes, ensuring the books stay balanced.